Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you about my work desk setup, working from home, of planner edition. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you're into planning tips, productivity tips, and also organization. So if you've already subscriber, thank you for supporting me. I'm going to describe my entire work setup to you. So let's move on from the left. So forgive me if my camera is a bit shaky because I am holding it in my hand. Okay, so this is my charger, which is a 3-in-1. I charge my phone, my watch, and also my AirPods Pro. And underneath here, there's a box which I put in some small things that I don't want to make a mess here. And this is my plant. It's real, it's not fake. And this desk is from Ikea. I can't remember what its name. And so there's this drawer set. I think it's an Alexa or Alexis or something, the name. Anyway, I will look for it and then put the link at the description box below. You can go and check it out. And in this drawer, I have my stickers for my planner, and also small stationery kit, and also the teddy scents from Lovely Lace. Yeah, I really love the smell, so I do have it here just in case I want my room to smell good. Okay, beside it is my keyboard, and also my Filofax A5 size, which I have both my cousin Hobonichi Cousin and also my A5 Stylogy, which I've always shown where I'm planning as my both personal and work planner. And this is my Hobonichi Weeks, which I use as my goal planner. And this is a smaller desk pad, which just fits right in here. I have a bigger set this side, but it's supposed to be my work area, but because my daughter would like to study with me, so I created this space for her. Otherwise, this would have been my space as well for me to use for my planning session. This is my iMac, which I have bought in the year 2009. Yep, that's like almost 11 years, I think. Mic that I use as my voiceover, and I also have a Mac hard disk to do backup on my computer on my Mac. And under this table there's also space in here. So what I've done is I have put in my regular used stickers as well. This one I use for my weekly planning session. There's a lot of cute stickers which I use. These are from Kina Prints, and some are from Gotalist, and also these small transparent circle stickers. Yeah, so I got this box. I bought this box purposely for the box. There was chocolate in it, but I don't enjoy it as much. It's still there in my refrigerator, so I put it under here because it doesn't jive well with my theme. So I just put it there. So this bear is from Hobonichi as well. It is given when you purchase the Hobonichi Cousin, so they give the pen and the bear as well. And what is this? Okay, of course this is the mouse, magic mouse. And in here I have my Filofax Malden, which I use daily in the morning to recite my affirmation. I have my affirmation in here. So in the morning, once I wake up, I will always recite the affirmation at least once before I start doing anything else. And this is my 5-year Hobonichi planner, which I'm using to... I don't write daily. I do write once in a while. So these are more like my... Let me take this. I always have a tissue in here because I use a fountain pen, and it just... Can you see the marks? I don't want these pages to be ruined, so that's why I put them in there. So I don't write daily. Sometimes some special things happen, so I will just write those things in there. I'm totally fine with not writing regularly, because maybe some other days I will do something else as a decoration in there maybe, but for now I'm just using it to document my daily life. So this is my idea book. Actually, this is the free day free Hobonichi as well. So in here I write down my ideas, like I brainstorm things. I just you know, sometimes things just come into my mind, so I will just write them in there, and whenever I need some sort of ideas to me, I will just glance through them and see what are the things that I can make out of those ideas, you know. So yeah, that's what it's in there. And this is my iPad Pro 2020, which I bought last year, and this is the Rui camera holder. So sometimes when I do my planning shot, I will use this as well. And I have some stationeries in here. These are for my pens. These are my stapler, my scissors, some knives, and this is just some random thing that I just put in there, my clip and hair band and so on, hair tie. And in here, this is full focus planner. I haven't really opened it because I don't know, it was just an impulse purchase, I guess. I wanted to use it, but then when I realized that my Notion goal system is working efficiently, so I'm like still hanging on to this. I have not opened it yet. And here is my project planner paper that I got from Whitney English. It's really good, and these are my brain dump as well. Sometimes I just, you know, just want to write some stuff. I will use both these things. Okay, so moving on up here, this is also a phone holder for me to get like an overhead shot. Let me get a wider shot. Okay, so I will just push them down here, and I will take any, you know, when I'm doing my planner shot, so I will just put them on top and start recording the entire video. So this is really useful. And that's flower which was given to my husband during Valentine's Day. That was like, I don't know, maybe about 5 years ago. I'm still keeping it because, you know, it looks good, right? It really looks good. So I love them. And my ex-student is selling these candles, scented candles. I really love them as well. And this is the back here is an Aoki light, which I use whenever I want to take film videos and I need extra light. I will just switch them on. These are not, this doesn't have a wire to it. I have to put in the battery behind, which I have to charge. So I really like that because it's a powerful light. And this is a Young Living essential oil. Currently I'm using the purification. I really love the smell. And this is a sharpener which I use for my daughter, and this is a box which I have some planner stuff. It's old nostalgic stuff that I don't want to get rid of, so it's more like a, you know, memory of how I started my planning. And up there is another flower which my husband gave during Valentine's Day this year. And I have some random pictures up there. And this is my Filofax A5. I don't use this right now because I don't have any specific purpose, but before this I did have I can't remember what this planner is called. So I used to have another set of planner in here, but right now I'm not using it anymore. So I'm still figuring out what other things that I could use this for. If you have any idea, just let me know what other planner that I can use this for. And in here is some important notes, documents. Like this is my previous year budget book, and I just keep it in there because just in case you need it for my tax. And that's my memo board and my vision board as well. I've already achieved 3 of my vision, and I have to achieve the rest of it now. And on the right side, this is my Ikea pegboard which I bought. I arranged all my washi tapes in here. I really love them. I do have more, but I didn't put it in here. These are my regularly used ones, so I just put them here so that I can just access for my planning easily, you know. So, and I have AAA batteries, my binders, binder clips, and also AA batteries as well. And then up here I have my budget tracker. By the way, I made this budget tracker myself for this year because last year I used the TBM, the Budget Mom's financial tracker, but because I don't use most of those things that's in the book, I decided to make my own based on how I want it to be. So this is available for free. If you want it, you can always go and check out on my Instagram. It's available for download for free. Okay, and here I have stuff on my bills, my business, and some other random folders around here, which I always file it in here. And this is my blog planner from Whitney English, and I have a keyboard which I don't use it as much right now. And I have empty space which I don't know what I'm going to put it there yet. And here are my regularly used color pens and highlighters, the zebra midliner, and some other random color pens that I tend to use for my planner. So oh, I forgot to move on to my drawer actually. So this is my drawer. I have my big clips, some notepads and more notepads in here, pins, some thumb drives and memory cards, clips, staplers, more clips. Okay, so it's kind of organized. And here's not so organized. These are my makeup stuff. I have actually reduced my makeup things from like 3 drawers to only 1 right now, but I still have to purge them because it's kind of full. So in here are all my electronic stuff. I have my chargers, my camera, and some of the bags. And in here also, once again, it's all related to tech, which I have to purge. And underneath I have my hair dryer stuff. So as you can see, that's it about my desk setup. I really love this. It's kind of minimal and functional for me because I have pretty much everything in here. I will just simply grab and start using it. So it's really good. I enjoy working on my desk, and I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also hit the notification bell and also the like button if you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!